Single hats. There will be 24 people at the party, so we need 24 hats. I wonder Gail needs to buy 34 pencils. 10 pencils. What are all the different ways Gail can do? You need to find all the ways Gail or boxes of 10 pencils. Mr. Winter is putting away 46 chairs. He can put away the chairs in stacks of 10 or as single chairs. What are all the ways he can put away the chairs? Let's use a table and base 10 blocks to help us solve the problem. Then we'll use patterns to solve the problem. 4 10s and 6 1s represent 46 chairs. In the table, record this first way Mr. Winter can put away the chairs. 4 stacks of 10 chairs and 6 single chairs. To find another way he can put away the chairs, you can trade a 10s block for 10 1s blocks. Record this in the table. 3 stacks of 10 chairs and 16 single chairs. Here's another way he can put away the chairs. You can trade a 10s block for 10 1s blocks again. Record this in the table. 2 stacks of 10 chairs and 26 single chairs. What patterns do you see? As the number of stacks of chairs decreases by 1, the number of single chairs increases by 10. Use the pattern to show another way Mr. Winter can put away the chairs. Select your answers and then click check.
So I'm looking at the chairs and I know that the tens place goes down by 1. So 4, 3, 2, I know, 1. And the single chairs goes up by 10. So 6, 16, 26. Look right here. 1, 2. What comes next in order? 36.
Great.
Now I'm down from 1 to 0. And all the chairs will be singles. So you can even look at that first number up there. 46 is what we started with, which means all the blocks will be singles. So 46, or count by 10, 16, 26, 36, 46.